Neo.
Guys, I was so afraid. Today will not end happily. Can't have a party if my friends aren't with me.
S.
Edward.
Cracked couplers! Where did all this traffic come from?
Brown.
Percy.
I'm pretty nervous and pretty worried. And loving it!
I am 4.
Young Bao.
Thank you, young Val.
I'm 8.
Carly. Ashima.
We're so glad to see ya. Ashima, come on. You're the one we're waiting on. Now you're here, our woes are gone. We're so glad to see ya. Hello.
3.
Neo.
This is your perfect plan? Yes, you're cute. That tickles.
4.
Bruno.
You can pull me fast. I don't mind the speed. But if you want to slow your roll, I got what you need. Here we go, fast and slow.
Troublesome.
Oops! Looks like the weather is cloudy with a chance of dirt.
S.
X.
Sandy. Salty.
About to tell ye about the pirate treasure of Sodor. The pirate treasure of Sodor? That's just another myth.
Ta-da! 7.
Connor. Harold.
Harold can't maintain his flight pattern. Now he needs some extra help.
Oh! 1.
Thomas.
on the tracks.
Epic steam signal. I've also hooked.
Hero.
Ah, Speedy. I thought I saw something fly by.
Hello.
She is fast.
Fast is good. Fast is